Hey everyone. Okay, so I am back with another brand new style from BelleTress, and this is called Beverly Hills, and I have it in their brand new shade, Beige Linen Blonde Rooted. Stay tuned. This gorgeous new style is from their brand new city collection. All of the styles are named after famous cities. And you may be familiar with BelleTress's Cafe collection, their most recent Luxe collection that they came out with that I talked about ad nauseum because I absolutely love it. But I'm so excited that they have these brand new styles through the city collection. Not only that, but they have 12 brand new colors, and they are all incredible. I've been wearing BelleTress wigs from the beginning of my wig journey, along with many other brands, as you know. But I absolutely love BelleTress. I'll tell you the truth. When I first started wearing wigs, there were a few styles, actually a good number of BelleTress styles that did not have extended lace into the ear tabs. And on some of those styles, I found there to be a bit of an awkward transition between the lace and the ear tab. Well, they have addressed that, certainly with the Luxe collection, and then certainly again with this city collection. And I'm super impressed with all of the improvements that they have been making. These fibers, if you're new to BelleTress, are heat-defiant synthetic fibers. So it's not human hair, but you can absolutely apply heat. Keep that heat on low. You could straighten this further. You could add waves. The other thing that I really love about BelleTress is, for the most part, their styles are lower density. So I think a lower density option is really fantastic for somebody at the very beginning of your wig journey. Because if you're used to fine, thin, perhaps no bio hair, having a wig that has a tremendous amount of volume or lots of hair can be a little bit overwhelming when we first start on our wig journey. So I'm loving that of the styles within the new city collection that I've tried so far. I've tried 4. I've got all of them. I'm making my way through them. All of them are lower density. As you can see, Beverly Hills is a longer style. It's a straighter style with these beautiful bends at the end of these really nice layers. Okay, so I will do a turn so that you can see it on all sides. So this is my right-hand side. And then the back, I'll put all of the hair in the back so that you can see that. My left-hand side, and back to the front. Okay, let's talk about the dimensions on Beverly Hills. All together and overall, this wig is 22 inches in length. And when you look at the different layers on here, I think it's important that I share with you my face dimensions, because that may impact how and where these layers fall on you. So from hairline to chin, I'm approximately 7 inches. Okay, and then you've got the sides that are 20 inches, and the nape, which is measured from the base down, is 13 inches. And then altogether, this piece weighs 4.9 ounces. Whenever you have a longer style like this made out of heat-defiant synthetic fibers, there's a few tips for you to keep these fibers looking and feeling great. Number one, you're always going to want to use a wide tooth comb. And then when you go to comb it, sorry, I have a hair. When you go to comb it, you start at the bottom and make your way up versus starting at the top and pulling all the way down. Okay, so that's number one. Number two, you're gonna want a daily detangler. There's a ton on the market. I really like the Hair You Wear Restore. It actually does triple duty. A daily detangler, a conditioner, and a heat protectant. That brings me to my next point. Heat-defiant fiber, just like this, needs heat in order for it to continue looking and feeling great. You may hear some wig reviewers referring to friction points, and all that means is where the hair is rubbing on your clothes or on your shoulders or on your back. Those are the points that are going to start to wear down the quickest, okay? So in order to apply heat to this, I would spray these lengths anywhere where I'm applying the heat, actually. And as I mentioned, I love Hair You Wear Restore. So you're gonna spray your piece with this. I use this is called Hot Tools. I've had it forever. I believe that you can get this from Wigs by Patti's Pearls. I believe it's also available on Amazon. But you're going to run this piece through the lengths to help smooth out those fibers and knock out that frizz. And you want to get to these fibers before it becomes a hot mess, okay? So every few full day wears, you're gonna want to apply heat, low heat, to your heat defiant fibers. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take Beverly Hills off so that I can show you the inside of this cap. It's an average size cap. I have a 22-inch circumference head. It's fitting me beautifully. You've got that left-handed monofilament part. It's a fairly generous opening for a parting versatility perspective. There is that extended lace into the felt covered ear tabs, and then open wefting on the sides, on the back, an extended nape, and 2 Velcro adjusters that you can adjust this to fit your head circumference. Here's a tip for you. If you're brand new to wearing wigs and you get your wig home for the very first time, you want to play around with these adjusters until you find the spot that works for you and leave it. You don't have to touch it again. Let's chat about this brand new color, Beige Linen Blonde. It's a dynamic blonde. I would say that this color probably reads more neutral to the warmer side, but you've got a great blend. So as of the time of filming this review, the full descriptions were not out. However, the number codes were. And when you hear somebody referring to the number codes, it's simply referring to the different shades that make up this color, Beige Linen Blonde. Okay, so first of all, you've got an 8 root, which is a dark brown root, and then you've got a 16, a 22, and a 613. So that 613 is a cooler blonde, which helps to sort of balance out the warmth that's also within here, bringing it more to a neutral blonde, as I mentioned earlier. So I'd love to hear from you. Drop in the comments below. What do you think about Beverly Hills? I think it's absolutely beautiful. And if you want to get this beautiful new style, head over to wigsbypattispearls.com. Be sure to use my discount code ERYNN, ERYNN 25 to save. Stay well, stay safe, and come back for more because I've got the rest of the collection to review for you.